Guess who's back? Back again. Tommy's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Do do do. So it's just the morning, so I thought I would show you all my house, guys. This is me in the new house, so I'll show you the setup. Obviously as well, I've got all my new posters up here. The Darth Vader. All the figures down here and everything. There's Fudge getting up into the act as always. Yep. My PlayStation 4, my games. The new setup with the TV. Obviously the bed up here and things. It's absolutely great. Take you into the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Really nice in here, it really is. It's got all the old ceilings as you can well see. Shower. So yeah, absolutely lovely place, it really is. All the nice tiling in the walls. This in here is just a spare room. In here I've obviously got my drone and things like that. Big cupboard. So guys, thank you, and I'm finally back. I love you so much, and sorry I've been away for so long. Blasted internet installation taken to the 22nd to get fitted, but that's us just in my new house, so I'm going to go give you a little tour of the new house. So this is the new setup. Fudge is in the bedroom as always. This is my bedroom. As you can see here, I've actually got all the heroes figures all lined up in the wall. The Star Wars signed print, the Yoda picture, another Star Wars stamp figure set, the Darth Vader, all the Star Wars figures down here as well. So plenty, the BB-8, all my other stuff. Fudge is trying to get in the act. So yeah, I've got my big horoscope up in the wall there. This is my bed here. This will be right in front of the big windows, so we've got cracking big bay windows in this house. Really good. One here and one over there as well. Over in this wall here I've got all my Hornby toys, my Star Wars posters, all my various different books. Vegan, Eating the Light, obviously the Bible, Vegan Freak, being a vegan in a non-vegan world, The All Had Eyes, Food Yogi, China Study, many different books there. I've got some other different vegan books as well, Why I'll Always Be Vegan. And here's a big cupboard actually. So my little Daegu, he's in here. So yeah, that's where he's staying. Obviously as well over at this wall, this is my TV with my PlayStation eye camera. I've got my PlayStation down there. And just got this the other day. One of my dear friends actually went and bought me this MacBook Air. So great, I'm now a part of the Apple family. I'm going to have some great videos up on that. So yeah, this is my room anyway, guys. It's going to be far better doing my YouTube videos in here. Much more light, very open space. Absolutely great, lovely house. Big heated radiator there as well. This is the living room. Got all the old ceilings up here as you can well see. Lovely lights. This is a unit. New sofa. And obviously my big Hindu plaque there. Pictures of Laura up in the wall. Yeah, so Rocky's up here as well. TV and things. Take you into the kitchen. The kitchen's absolutely amazing, it really is. You've got all the lights underneath here. We've obviously got all our things like our coffee, our sugar, our tea, Actifryer, NutriBullet. All my cupboards with all my stuff. Taco mix, beans, all my... So they're all running about like knitters, ain't these? Rocky boy? Sasha, Nala. So yeah, I've got quite a lot of stuff in my cupboards. I've obviously got all my condiments, my pickles, baked the sausages, the Lincolnshire sausages with baked beans, fully vegan. All my spreads, all my different nuts and such likes, all my cereals, my vegan whipped creams, some fruits, quinoa and kale chips, quite a lot of stuff. My fridge with all my condiments in there as well, and all my peanut butters and vegan A's. Obviously as well we've got the dishwasher and things. It's an amazing place. And you go out here, and we've actually got a little conservatory out here. So this is the conservatory. There's Tigger down here. Tigger! It's got a heater and everything out there as well, so it's absolutely great. So I'll be able to sit out here and actually do my YouNow streams and things. And that's the garden out there as well. So I hope you like this, guys. Hope this has kind of showed you a good bit of the place. And I'll speak to you all very, very soon. And remember, as always, binge on life, purge negativity and starve guilty feelings. Remember guys, binge on life, purge negativity and starve guilty feelings. Speak to you all soon and love you so much.